Hey, what's up everybody, Andrew here. Today we're going to do an unboxing on a refurbished DJI Mini 4 Pro. This refurbished unit is refurbished directly from DJI, so they're basically brand new and you're saving 20% off of retail. For example, the Fly More combo brand new is $10.99 US, and this Fly More combo refurbished is $879, so that's a pretty good chunk of savings. And yes, I did pull out the shrink wrap and the RB sticker because I wasn't planning on making a video, but I did change my mind at the last minute, so there it is. So with the Fly More combo, you get this beautiful case here with a shoulder strap. Here goes the DJI RC2 remote. Let's take a look at its condition. Wow, look at this. This is basically a brand new remote. There's not a single scratch on here. That is incredible. Alright, let's see what else we have in the box. Here we got your charging dock and your 2 additional Fly More batteries. This is not the Plus batteries, so FYI, if you want the Plus, that one does cost more. I really like this charging cradle right here. Just simply plug in 3 batteries and charge away. This looks basically brand new. So far, I'm impressed with DJI refurbished. It's almost to that level of Apple refurbished. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get to the main attraction of the show here. And we got a refurbished DJI Mini 4 Pro, refurbished directly from DJI. So that's a big difference compared to refurbished, like for example Best Buy. You never know what you're gonna get. Let's look at this. Wow, this looks basically brand new. I'm telling you guys, this is crazy. You got your prop protector right here. Let's go and take it off and take a closer look here. See if we see any weird imperfections or scratches or even scuffs. So far, this looks basically like new, if not brand new. One of the most common questions I always hear about refurbished DJI drones is, do they qualify for DJI Care Refresh? And yes, they do. The 1-year plan for this drone is $79, and the 2-year plan is $125, which covers flyaways, water damage, and collision coverage. DJI claims you get a 3-day average replacement time and free 2-way shipping for replacements. I almost forgot to include this section of the video, but I guess better late than ever. In the bag you also get instruction manual, DJI stickers, 6 propellers, screwdriver, and a USB-A to USB-C, and 1 USB-C to USB-C cable. So would I recommend buying a refurbished drone from DJI directly? Absolutely. I mean, you're basically getting a brand new drone, brand new accessories, batteries, you qualify for DJI Care Refresh, 14-day return policy, and free shipping. I mean, that's pretty hard to beat, on top of the 20% savings. The only catch here is they're kind of hard to find in and out of stock, especially on the Mini 4 Pro. I did check at 4 a.m. in the morning and was able to snag this one and got very lucky. But I'll keep you guys posted if I see any more in stock, and I'll put a link in the description. Alright, this about wraps up my refurbished Mini 4 Pro unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.